is important to tighten your bolts. Holy crap. Gonna go to a hardware store, see if they have these, and probably buy a few of these, to be honest, because that's not safe. At the hardware store, I couldn't find the exact ones. These fit apparently, which kind of look like these, so I'm just gonna tighten them. Yeah, sure, they're black, whatever. Probably gonna do just the bottoms are black. All right, guys, it's your boy Jay Styles here. Had a pretty rough beginning. Had to replace bolts, running late. Oh, today even after an eventful morning and afternoon, I'm on my way to Industry City, where I'm meeting up with Brent and Mr. E. What is happening is that he has a little section on his YouTube channel, basically gets insights about people in the e-bike community and kind of just brings light to them, kind of like how I do with Surron, Texas, and our Mega Live that we do every Monday. Mega Live. Well, we used to do, but now we're kind of taking a little break from it, since, you know, he was the organizer for the Mega Ride. It's literally physically and mentally exhausting, so we're taking like a few weeks off, making sure the holidays are well spent with the family. Anyways, so basically yeah, we're having he's basically gonna interview, we're gonna chat up, talk to Mr. E. He's gonna ask me some questions about, you know, whatever it is that he's gonna ask me questions about, you know, my insight, how I got started, and all these really good, interesting things. So you should definitely check that out. And then yeah, so we're gonna meet up at Industry City. I'm running super late, but it's okay. I think he's gonna talk to Brent first and then talk to me, so I'll make it in time. And then there's actually a not Dykeman, because Dykeman is uptown. There's a Dykerman ride. Sorry if I'm butchering it, but it's basically a ride that's in it's going from Manhattan HQ to Lower Manhattan all the way to Dyker Heights, which is in Brooklyn, and it's actually not that far away from Industry City. So we're gonna meet up with some people there, and then I'm probably gonna ride with them for maybe, I'll catch up with them halfway or something. All right, we are here, Industry City. Now the only challenge is, besides hitting those destructive rocks that they call road, you want to see what I mean? You want to see what I mean? My voice cracked. Look at that. Boom. Here. We'll hate you. Hey, hello. I love when people throw in a smile when they see the bike, you know. Made it here. I don't know if you saw Mr. E looking quite lovely over there. And then yeah, we're gonna go do this interview. I'm gonna show you guys a sneak preview and then ride time. So yeah, let's stay tuned. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Oh, what's up, Mr. E? What's going on? How you going? Who's this guy? Who's this guy with his Celine shades? I love it. I'm sorry. I'm no mean to bar the interview. Just get myself. All right, Mr. E. So now I finished my interview. I was kind of nervous, but I feel like I did good for the most part. Now we're here and we're about to do just like a nice little shoots of what we do with our stunt riding, and probably end it off as such. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wait for the ride. Here taking the thumbnail photos, got my sexy bike, got the city in the background, about to shoot more stuff and then we're good. Okay, boom, we're good. We're here, recording, still with Mr. E. We'll see what kind of stuff we can do.
What are those, dirt bikes?
No, electric
What?
e-bike.
Oh, they look like dirt bikes.
They look like it, but they run on batteries, not gas.
Oh, word?
Yeah. You want to see?
What's the highest it goes up to?
The voltage?
Like.
No noise. No noise.
I appreciate you. Take care.
All right, so
That guy was super cool. So right now there's a ride going on from 5 o'clock. They're coming down to Brooklyn, so we're just gonna kind of meet up with them halfway, not too far. And then yeah, thank you to the power of Telegram. I'm gonna wait for them here. Yeah, because it's like, it's just like you notice it. It's like a big underneath tunnel. My phone is dying. Look, this guy Bill, he's touching 4th Avenue, and once he goes down, he's guaranteed. Yeah, let's do it. We're gonna wait for them here. Actually, it's a big spot. You know, we can easily intersect them. See you soon, all right? We got some sketchy people over here looking at us, so we're about to jump on to the next block. But oh, we see them. We see them. We see them.
oh yeah, that's good.
David is here. Let's go. What's up? I see you with the Harrison Ford once. Yo, good to see you guys. Good to see you. Where's Takio? As you saw in the video, yo, you saw the cop. You saw the cops. They were like, okay. And we got, you know what it is? They're just stretching their. Anyways, we are here. Awesome. It's amazing, these lights.
I know.
So, yeah.
So we're here. I'll jump on with y'all and let's go. We're part of the light show. I see that.
And there's a second seat right here.
Now we're going back. There's no gas. everything here is electric.
So it's gonna be very quiet when we all take off, kinda, because you won't hear any roaring.
The only thing you hear is our music. Louisiana?
Oh, damn.
They're all numbered. I don't know how to write.
Take care, ladies. Bye bye. Merry Christmas. Holiday. All right, so we're breaking off here. I met up with S3 crew, and I'm gonna be hanging out with them. I think they're gonna go charge, so might have to break away from that as well, since I don't really have a charger or need a charger. Well, here's the block. You want the block? Yo, this is not it. This is the other way. Yo, this is the two-way. Huh? Yo, I got you right now. Dude, careful, dude. Alright, so we're back at Industry City. But sometimes they don't work. I would double check it. No, but double check it. Check to see if it works. Oh, so there's like a little lock. You gotta pull it. You gotta tell her I love you, and then she'll open. Right here. I love you. I love you so much. There you go. You got you. But check. Alright guys, a really well-deserved outro. So we are here with the S3 crew. We broke off from that ride. They went back to the city. We're here charging. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Right now we're charging, and then I'm probably gonna go home. So like and subscribe if you like some of the content, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.